Have you ever wondered why you feel constantly tired, even after a full night's sleep? Why you wake up with no energy, struggle to focus during work or studies, and procrastinate on important goals despite knowing exactly what to do? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. A silent epidemic of fatigue is spreading, especially among Gen Z and Gen Alpha, and most people don't even realize what's happening. This isn't just a physical issue, it's deeply psychological. Let me explain. Our brains evolved millions of years ago during times when food and resources were scarce. To survive, humans developed an energy conservation mechanism. This meant prioritizing actions that were absolutely necessary while avoiding unnecessary energy expenditure. Fast forward to today, and this ancient wiring is clashing with the modern world. In today's digital age, where distractions are everywhere, our brains have fallen into a trap. Social media, binge watching, and endless scrolling provide quick dopamine hits. Low effort, high reward. These activities hijack our natural motivation systems, leaving us feeling drained when it's time to take on meaningful, effortful tasks like studying, working out, or pursuing long-term goals. But here's the shocking truth. Tiredness isn't physical. It's a psychological state triggered by how your brain evaluates effort versus reward. Neuroscience studies have shown that your brain does a cost-benefit analysis before any task, deciding whether it's worth your energy. This is why constructive tasks like studying or improving your skills feel harder. They take more effort and provide delayed rewards, unlike instant dopamine from your phone. So, what's the solution? First, you need to understand how this system works to break free from it. You have to train your brain to resist easy dopamine and embrace effortful, meaningful actions. This isn't about motivation magically showing up. It's about building habits that reinforce discipline. Saying no to short-term temptations and focusing on your long-term goals strengthens your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for self-control and decision-making. Take small steps to change your habits. For example, start your day with exercise to kickstart positive momentum, focus on eating healthy foods to stabilize your energy, and limit activities that drain your mental resources. Over time, these small actions will rewire your brain, making constructive tasks feel more rewarding and effortless. And don't underestimate the power of mindfulness, meditation, and journaling. These practices help reset your brain's dopamine levels, improve self-awareness, and keep you focused on what truly matters. By prioritizing the right mindset and consistent actions, you can transform fatigue into energy, procrastination into productivity, and frustration into success. At InfoFusion, we're all about uncovering hidden truths, understanding the mysteries of life, and empowering you with knowledge. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this.